I'm Sam. I'm one of the students at ACS Hillingdon. I've been here for about 3 years now. I'm originally from Canada. I moved here about 3 years ago to London. And I'm one of the head hawks at this school. So one of the heads of student body and one of the presidents of the student council. At ACS, I'm following the IBDP program. It's focusing mostly on like the sciences. And so I take higher level physics, chemistry, math, AA with analysis and approaches, and English language and literature, HL, along with economics, set level, and Spanish. One of the key points why I chose the IB program was that it is unique in that it prepares you very well for college. So the courses you take, there's such a depth and breadth in all the things you study. It prepares you immensely for college. And I find that was unique just the IB program. Furthermore, it's a very well-rounded program. It forces you to look at the sciences and the math, but also learning new languages and the humanities. So while I do mostly like the sciences, I am not forced, but I learned economics as well. I find that's one of the unique points. One final thing is the whole core component. It's very unique to the IB with the extended essay, which is independent high school research. Independent can be original research. Very interesting. And then the theory of knowledge. So teaching you not just what to learn, but how to learn as well. I gotta say the extended essay, it's for sure been my favorite part. It took me about 7 or 8 months to complete this research project. I did it on physics, and I found a niche topic I really liked, and I got support to investigate it for months on end, and then wrote a 4,000-word report on it, which I'm going to submit to the IB soon. I'm a figure skater outside of school, and it was about the physics of figure skating and rotational dynamics of figure skating and how changing your arm angle in certain spins affects how fast you spin. Biggest one is research skills. They prepare you immensely here at ACS for any sort of research. The librarians are very helpful whenever you need help finding sources. They help you with anything. They find reliable sources, very credible sources from academic journals, from scientific journals. And I think the research skills is the biggest thing, and they help me immensely in university. I think it's just their ability to always be there for any questions. I know right now, preparing for final exams, my chemistry teacher, Miss Matar, is hosting after school study sessions for extra support for if any topics you're unsure of. So Tuesdays after school, we go to her class and fun little chemistry study session. Same thing with physics. I think all teachers are very, very supportive of anything you do, and they're always there for extra bit of help if you need. So in terms of clubs, I founded and preside over the physics club, where we firstly do lectures every week. So we bring in a new topic, and we I spend the week researching it and developing a presentation, and then I teach to the class. And usually it's outside of the curriculum topic, so university level topics. Fascinating. Other than that, we help with homework, any test studying. That's physics club. In terms of other clubs, my favorite one is the MUN, the Model United Nations, and it is probably one of our strongest clubs here with the most members. I think it's about 50 members now. It's a very big club from grades 9 to 12. And what it does, it's a mock United Nations. So we go to conferences, we are assigned countries, and we're delegations for that country. And then we debate important topics. I think it's an extraordinary opportunity to expand your global perspective, connect with international students, things like that. After graduation, I hope to go to university and study physics or chemistry or some sort of chemical physics. After that, I wish to become a professor, an academic researcher, and go into academia. But I've applied to the UK, Canada, and US. In Canada, I've got an offer from the University of British Columbia to study physics, and as well from McGill to study physics. In the UK, I've got an offer from the University College London, UCL, to study physics as well. I'm waiting for an Imperial offer back. That should come next week or something like that, Imperial College. In terms of US, I have not gotten many offers back yet because they come out mid-end of March. And I'm waiting for Caltech, Stanford, and UChicago for their physics programs as well. While it is quite a rigorous and difficult program, it is one very revered by universities, and also it prepares you excellently for life in general and for university.